I'm a big fan of ground coffee, even on the go. So whether we're hiking or camping, this filter is going to be the way to go. So it comes with a nice pouch. That's pretty neat, and I like that it's a canvas pouch. I've got a silica thing keeping everything dry, certification card, the instructions. We've got the crank, brush for cleaning, and then the grinder itself. How nice is that? All knurled aluminum. So the way this works is pretty simple. You'll open up the bottom. You'll set your grind with the settings here. Screw the bottom back on. You'll add your beans to the top. You'll install the top part here, which will lock right on. You do your grinding as necessary. A little bit of a workout. And then when you're all done, you'll have your freshly ground beans right underneath. Easy, compact, high quality, great gift idea. The Chestnut C2S. Hope this helps.